Ulundi lwendo lwe amashango mavili aruthome ngwani afura rwefiraho huitela ukhwathedza vushaka ha vudiplomati. Vushaka ovu vukudwafa khwatisamba madzelano na zwa makwevo. Varangaphanḓa wa mashango aya mavili vhaḓiwa mushumo muhulwane une wavha hone huitela ukhwathisa nyaluwo ya ikonomi kha mashango aya.
President Kenyatta and I have reaffirmed the strategic importance of bilateral relations between our two countries and reiterated our desire to elevate the nature of our relationship, which would include the conclusion of a strategic partnership agreement.
Indeed, we have witnessed today the signing of 8 agreements covering a wide range of issues, including health cooperation, diplomatic consultations, training and cooperation in fields of tourism and air services, all very key to both our countries.
Vuyendi mpfuro wa watu kati na zwa mtakalo ni dzimwe za thendelano dzo swikelelwaho musi president wa lino Vho Cyril Ramaphosa bekati na mushumo uyu. Ḽioro ḽavho ḽi khou fenywa nga mahoro manedzi kha mimasipala mihulwane izwi khou tevhela mvelelo dza khetho dza mivhuso yapo dza zwenezwino.
It is disappointing for the African National Congress, but that is how we should accept the clear message of our people on the African National Congress. We've taken heed, we have listened, and this for us is a big setback, but it is also a big lesson.
President wa Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta wokhodha nyaluwo ya demokrasi khalino.
As South Africans, you should be very proud and happy with yourselves that you have a mature democracy. What you see here is not very common in many other parts of the world. So mine is to congratulate South Africans and to say, let us continue entrenching democracy as a way of governance.
Vo Kenyatta navo ni vorambo vo Ramaphosa udalange khala Kenya.